Steno Court. It's time for your daily dose of legal dictation. We are focusing on clarity and flow today. So, deep breathe, stay calm, and let's get into the matter. 3, 2, 1.
Start ongoing through the entire materials, including the oral and documentary evidence led in by both the parties and the judgment and decree of the trial judge. We are unable to accept the only reasoning of the High Court in non-suiting the plaintiff stop stanza. It is true that when the final bill was submitted, the plaintiff had accepted the amount as mentioned in the final bill, but under protest stop. It is also the specific claim of the plaintiff that on the direction of the department it has performed additional work and hence entitled for additional amount or damages as per the terms of agreement stop. Merely because the plaintiff had accepted the final bill, it can not be deprived of the right to claim damages if it had incurred additional amount and able to prove the same by accepting materials stop stanza. Before going into the factual matrix on this aspect, it is useful to refer the decisions of this court relied on by Mr. Altaf Ahmed Stop in the case of Chairman and MD NTPC Limited versus Resmi Constructions Builders and Contractors within bracket 2004 to SSC 663, which relates to termination of a contract. One of the questions that arose for consideration was whether after the contract comes to end by completion of the contract work and acceptance of the final bill in full and final satisfaction, and after issuance a no due certificate by the contractor, can any party to the contract raise any dispute for reference to arbitration question mark. While answering the said issue, this court held even when rights and obligations of the parties are worked out, the contract does not come to an end inter alia for the purpose of determination of the dispute arising thereunder, and thus the arbitration agreement can be invoked stop. Although it may not be strictly in place, but we cannot shut our eyes to the ground reality that in a case where a contractor has made huge investment, he cannot afford not to take for the employer the amount under the bills for various reasons, which may include discharge of his liability towards the banks, financial institutions, and other persons. In such situation, the public sector undertakings would have an upper hand stop. They would not ordinarily realize the money unless a no demand certificate is signed stop. Each case, therefore, is required to be considered on its own facts.